Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Quant Network, Futuristic Network. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, you can also check out the official Crypto Growth partners for the exchange. We've got MEXC. You can follow the link in the description box below for rebates, discounts, offers, benefits, and lowest fees. So do check it out. And as far as the wallet is concerned, we've got Decent. They've got their products. They've got their biometric wallet, which has got an attractive $70 off. And you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got a phenomenal $149 off, only if you follow the link in the description box below. By the way, folks, Decent supports 3000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets. Anyways, let's see what's happening with QNT in real time. Any new information or posts that we can get our hands on? Let's find out. So let's see what's been up with the QNT. This is from L Shred over here 2 hours ago. $10,000 doesn't seem that far away, does it? Just a mere 72x from here. 72x anywhere else is mind-boggling, but when it comes to this industry, even 72x is nothing, and the expectations are extremely high when it comes to profits, guys. But obviously 72x is a lot in my opinion, and from this perspective of the investors that are well acquainted or that are used to the stock market and the conventional gains from real estate, this is something else entirely, guys. So look at this. From 140 to $10,000 from here to here, a long journey, but let's see when it can be achieved, and will it be achieved? Obviously, that is the question. If the team continues on to develop QNT and Quant grows, as well as the expansion of the entire industry as a whole, then realistically, in the very long run, it might be possible. So yeah. The fundamentals of QNT is there, but obviously a lot of catalysts for it to happen. Constant development is one of the firsts. This is from Sebastian 2 hours ago. QNT. Not a single QNT has left the team wallet for 3 years. They're only adding and adding. So basically, Gilbert has been stacking, huh? So yeah. Look at this. This is from San. What happens when Link and XRP holders find out there is a banker coin 1/10 and 100th price that is working with BIS, the Bank of International Settlement, Bank of England, and leading financial institutions on Futuristic Network? Return wise, risk reward wise, is it the best bet in town? It certainly is there with the best of them, in my opinion, if it achieves what it wants to achieve. Obviously, look at this. Quant works with the world's largest financial institutions. Look at this, the regulated liability network. We've got MasterCard, Visa, Barclays, HSBC, Standard Chartered, NetWest, Lloyds, Money, Santander, Citi, R3, Linklaters, EY. I mean, this is awesome. Future financial market infrastructure for central banks, commercial banks, and regulated non-banks. Then we've got Nexi Group over here, banks including Credit Agricole, CDP, BPER, BNL, Monte dei Paschi di Siena, okay, Fineco Bank, Unicredit. We've got Santander, Consumer as well, and Intesa, Banco, Mediobanca, San Paulo, Europe's largest financial payment infrastructure, 580 banknotes. And then we've got the Project Rosalind, Bank of England, Bank of International Settlements, BIS. Look at this, Amazon, UST, Revolut, MasterCard, Bank of Canada, Worldline, Barclays, IDEMIA. These are uh, giants in the finance space, guys. Bank of England, obviously, Bank of England. We're talking about the uh, pinnacle of banking in England, obviously. So we've got MasterCard. Everyone knows what MasterCard is. Digital pound CBDC project with the Bank of England and the Bank for International Settlements. May I correct it? Bank for International Settlements and not of. Yeah. Oracle Blockchain Platform. Oracle Blockchain Platform is the market leader in enterprise blockchain with hundreds of enterprise clients. Look at this LAC chain, 18 countries in the ecosystem, 129 million blocks, 85 entities with deployed nodes, 67 partners, 114 nodes. So it's the world's largest public permissioned network with 18 countries involved, and great names in those countries. Look at this. The BIS clearly cites Overledger. QNT below 10K is a joke. A lot of people hoping for a 10K QNT in the minimum. For a lot of people, they say that 10K is a bare minimum that it can reach in the long run. So this is how crazy a QNT can get if it achieves what it wants to achieve and if the proponents and advocates are right. Look at this. Project architecture for the two-tier model. The Rosalind architecture consisted of 4 layers: a central bank ledger, ledger API, core API, and service providers. The focus of the project was the core API layer because this layer connected public and private sector infrastructures. It played a critical role in supporting functionalities, enabling interoperability, and facilitating use case discovery. Awesome. We've got the central bank ledger layer, service providers layer, core API layer. Then look at this ledger API layer. This layer translated smart contracts into API calls and transformed API requests into a format understood by and what is this action for. Okay, for the central bank ledger, the project used overledger technology. So everyone knows who overledger technology belongs to whom. So this is awesome. To accelerate the development of multiple central bank ledger simulations for comparison, it also enabled the project team to explore how the API could work with different types of central bank ledger. Awesome. This is great. Look at this. Central bank ledger layer, ledger API layer, core API layer, service provider layer. This is great. We're talking about connecting uh, networks with each other, and Overledger and Quant Network wants to be that middle point, that bridging point, that connecting point between the legacy system, the blockchain, CBDC API. Look at this. This is great. Okay, what else do we have? Ready for $180. This is a bit of technical again. Look at this. Here we see this trend line. When it broke through this resistance level, it got narrower, and when it broke out, it retested almost retested this level, and then it went up and tested this trend line of resistance over here, and now it has broken through and basically retested the place over here in recent years, in recent memory, and then we're up again, and this small trend line over here getting narrower again. Let's hope that the next stop is $200 and more. Let's see how it goes. This is great. Left picture 2020 code, right Oracle blockchain partner QNT and their involvement in CBDC initiatives. Let me open this up. Bank of England check, Federal Reserve check, European Central Bank check, Central Bank of Kenya check, POC with top 3 ASEAN central banks. ASEAN is the Association of Southeast Asian Nations, a regional organization basically in Southeast Asia, and they've got this interconnected infrastructure, the financial infrastructure as well. They're cooperating politically, economically, culturally, so guys. So this is great. Being acquainted or collaborating with a regional organization is something huge in my opinion as well. Look at this, Gilbert Verdian. We've had meetings with Oracle regarding the Swedish central bank. That's not part of the 5 we are already talking to. Okay, Oracle's engagement with multiple CBDC initiatives. Awesome. Okay, what else do we have? Pardon me. QNT. Well, you have those who are afraid and selling their QNT because of FUD. I stand by my true over legends and bought 25 more quant and immediately removed it from the exchanges. The over legends are really cool. For a lot of people, they think that the supply shock is coming soon. Look at this, the crypto review, rating it 10 out of 10. Narrative finance, disrupting trillions, guys. Conviction, 5 stars. This is awesome. Project, 10 out of 10. Utility, 10 out of 10. Roadmap, 10 out of 10. Team, 10 out of 10. Social, 10 out of 10. Tokenomics, 10 out of 10. Partnerships, 10 out of 10. I mean, this is awesome. And the market cap based on the 14.54 million circulating supply, although this is conservative in terms of a lot of people that we just read talking about QNT and its potential to reach $10,000, still 15x will bring it to a $35 billion market cap. Totally achievable if it does obviously what it wants to achieve. Anyways, guys, what do you guys think about Quant Network being the futuristic network? I would really like your opinions. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.